Today's lesson, lesson 7, the goal of the lesson is to multiply any whole number by a fraction using a tape diagram. So, these are fraction of problems, just like the night before, but now we're doing tape diagrams. Okay, so we're doing 2B from their homework. It's a geometry problem. It involves a straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degrees. The students need to label that straight angle as 180 degrees. If we are doing a tape diagram, that means that our whole piece of tape is 180 degrees. If you read the problem, the smaller angle's measure is 1/6 that of a straight angle. So that means I'm going to divide this piece of tape into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's my sixths. We're trying to figure out 1/6 of that straight angle. So that's one of the sixths. So that's where my question mark goes. So we do the fraction of problem, 1/6 of 180. We do top times top and bottom times bottom. 6 goes into 180 30 times. So we have now figured out the smaller angle. The smaller angle being right here, we know that this is 30 degrees. If this whole straight angle is 180, and we are trying to figure out this bigger angle, angle A, we're going to take the whole straight angle minus the smaller angle. So then we can again get the measure of angle A. The larger angle is 150 degrees. So angle A is 150 degrees. That's how we figure that out. And by the way, on the tape diagram, we're also trying to figure this out. We're also trying to figure out that piece of the tape, which is the larger angle, 150 degrees.